everyone, welcome back to this week's video. Thank you for joining me again. I hope everyone had a really good long weekend and happy Canada Day. This week I have a whole bunch of new crystals from Swarovski to show you. So we got some new multi-packs, some new shapes as well. They're kind of like a variety pack. So I'm just going to give you a close-up look at all of those guys so that you can get a good idea of what they look like and what the colors are like. So that's everything for this week. Thank you so much for watching our video this week. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below. And thank you for always subscribing to our channel and liking our videos. Don't forget that you can also follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook.